Heads up, coming down. Move it to the trailer now.
Here in the treatment hall, the purified fibers undergo a rigorous bleaching process, ensuring maximum strength and purity for the textile industry.
Readings look good on this batch. Move it forward.
Confirmed. Advancing the line.
Pressure stable at 50 psi.
Acknowledged. Increasing lubrication flow now.
R5 reports a thickness variance at spool 7.
Noted. The arm corrected it within the nanosecond threshold.
Utilizing advanced machinery, the banana fiber pulp is transformed into sustainable paper, monitored closely by our technicians.
Tension's dropping on line 3. I'm on it. Adjusting the feed now.
Utilizing advanced robotic systems, we blend sustainable banana fibers with specialized resins.
The banana fiber panels undergo intense heat treatment here, stabilized by these robotic clamps to ensure even curing in the thermal ovens.
The banana fibers are seamlessly integrated with the new eco-coating, creating a durable and sustainable material for the future. Welcome to the future of logistics. Our smart warehouse system processes thousands of banana fiber products daily with unparalleled efficiency.
Keep it moving. We need this container loaded by the hour.
Manifest checked. All green for the fiber pallets.
We're showing a slight fluctuation in the turbine output here.
Yes, the biomass flow seems inconsistent. Let's increase the pressure slightly.
Make sure the banana fiber textiles are routed correctly.
Scanning the manifest now. Destination is marked for Europe.
As you can see, the weave is incredibly tight, ensuring longevity.
It's stunning and very comfortable. This place is beautiful. I love the decor. And the menu holders are made of banana fiber. Can you believe it?
The central production hall operates in perfect synchronization. A